Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought this great DIY for you guys, a feather out of ribbon. This is very affordable and you can use it for different purposes. So without wasting time, let's get started. To make the feather, I have taken a pink ribbon and any type of visiting card you can take. I am taking this card. Then place the ribbon over the card and turn it like this. Give it the one turn, then two, then three, then four, then 5. You have to give only the 5 turns to the ribbon and then cut the rest of the ribbon with the help of scissor. And after cutting, take out the ribbon out of the card smoothly like this, and after taking out, cut the both of the edges with the help of scissor like this. Cut the one edge and now cut the second edge. Now we will have different parts of equal size of the ribbon. For the next part, I am taking a strip of double-sided tape and place the rough area of the ribbon on the double-sided tape like this. Stick all the ribbon parts on the double-sided tape as I am sticking. You can use this feather for many different type of purposes, like for the pen topper, for the decoration of pen, or for the decoration of any type of vase also. Now cut the one layer of the ribbon from the both sides. Now after cutting from the both sides, take out the one thread like this. One thread means only the horizontal thread, not the vertical one, by which it will look like a feather. Now until I am taking off the ribbon, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. And you can see that after taking off the ribbon, this will be the look. Repeat the same process for the rest of the ribbon pieces like this. See how much shiny they are. Now the last and the final step is that I am taking a bob pin for the quilling of the ribbon. Peel off the double-sided tape, and for the stickness I am also applying glue gun, which will make it very strong. Then place the hairpin on the double-sided tape like this and start quilling. You can also use any type of aluminium wire, also thick wire or thin wire. Carefully quill it over the hairpin. And also apply glue gun on the rest of the double-sided tape also and on the edge also. And here our feather is almost done. You can also make several feathers of different colors. As I have made of pink color, you can also make different colors. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys. Now we will meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.